All right, so we at the Metro bus. The name of the stop is Campeche, and we're about to buy 2 tickets. All right, so like option. I don't know what I'm doing.
Por favor, inserte tu carta nuevamente.
This card?
This
Ah,
way.
ahí está,
No.
mire, ahí donde dice la
Car.
ahí.
Oh, that's okay. Check the.
Okay.
One moment. What in the language?
English.
English.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
English. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
The card. And what the money?
We're gonna use credito. No?
No problem.
No puede? Where do you get this? ¿Dónde? Where do you
Aquí.
buy it?
Aquí. I buy. Okay, cancel. Cancel. Aquí está mi. Okay. Check. Are you money the Mexico City?
Oh, you have that? No.
Oh, money?
Un momento. We have 200 Mexican.
25 pesos.
25 pesos.
Yes. Uh, no. It's
Mucho?
much, yeah.
Okay.
Money.
I don't know. No, use this.
No, it's much. It's much money.
Okay.
No problem. I get. En este, no, cámara. Aquí. Recarga.
I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Pero,
En esto.
o sea, lo que me molestó. ¿Dónde la tiró? De un mueble. La tengo que mandar a arreglar. Pues nada más le hubiera dicho a Valeria que pasaste y le hubiera dicho ahora para la que puso ella. Ay. No se mueve, hijo. ¿Qué quieres que le diga?
What needs to do? Muchas gracias. Wait, man. I don't know where the hell I'm going. Alright, we figured it out. So we are heading to Basilica of Our Lady of Guadalupe. So we're taking a bus. It's called Metro Bus. We're taking it to Escaro or Euscaro.
Estamos trabajando para restablecer el servicio. Agradecemos tu comprensión.
Just wait for the next one. Looking tight right now. If this don't work out, I might have to Uber. Alright, so we missed our stop, but it's hard to get those cards. There's this card that you can reload to buy your train fare. It's a lot of people today. I made a wrong turn. I read the Google map wrong. So now we gotta head this way. Popcorn, you want some popcorn? You want some fanny packs? We got some fanny packs. Want some nuts and some chips? They got them. Alright, that's where we gotta go. I'm guessing right there. We gotta take another metro bus, line number 6. Get that church look old, looks historic. All right, let's see if we can buy that card. If not, we're gonna have to walk. Ah, there you go. There you go.
Welcome.
Purchase. Bank card. Alright, so let's put 60. Let's put 60. No, you know what? You know what? Processing. I got it. Delivering card should be here. Where's the card?
Purchase complete. Do not forget to remove your card of integrated mobility and your credit
Where's
card.
The card?
Welcome.
Oh, here it is.
Isa lang ba?
Yeah, but let's reload this. Reload this.
Oh, sige. Magkano yan?
Let me get you.
Magkabay na.
Let me put another 60 on it. Put another 60. Just in case, we gotta double it up, you know?
Card of integrated mobility removed.
Oh, shit.
Insert it again. charge completed. Do not forget to
We got
remove your card of
105.
integrated mobility and your credit card.
Pardon,
Welcome.
¿Cuánto una ride?
Bienvenido.
Yeah.
Seis.
Size
Six.
Mexican peso. Muchas gracias. All right, so there's only 6 Mexican pesos. All right, so now we gotta find out which way it goes. Hold on. We gotta take it where it goes to La Villa, which is that one. La Villa. La Villa. Ayan, sige. That wasn't safe.